Another simple and easy and healthy recipe using eggplants. I'm going to show you how to do chicken eggplant meatballs. For this recipe I'm using 2 eggplants and I'm going to boil this in salted water. Parsley, 1 onion, few cloves of garlic, few small capsicums and half a stick of celery, a teaspoon of stock powder, quarter teaspoon of pepper, paprika to your taste and some salt, and 2 chicken breasts. First I am going to put the eggplants on the stove and bring it to boil and cook until it's tender. So I added 2 teaspoons of salt. Into a food processor, add the 2 chicken breasts. Into that add the spices with the stock powder and the garlic, parsley and the chilies. Process. When it is in this texture, take it out. Don't mince it a lot. So I boiled the eggplants and going to leave it to cool down a little bit. Now let's cut the vegetables and add into the chicken. Add into the chicken and mix well. Cut the eggplant in half. Take the skin off. After, using a paper towel, pat dry the eggplants and the board. If not, you will get excess water in the chicken. Chop the eggplant into small pieces. Now add the chopped eggplant into the chicken. Mix again. So as you can see, it's a bit watery because of the eggplants. Add a bit of breadcrumbs or a bit of rice flour. So I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons rice flour and mix. Now wet your hands and get a bowl of chicken and the eggplant mix. You can egg wash this or go without. So I have some breadcrumbs here. Even you can use as this is without breadcrumbs too if you don't want to add any. So make it like a nice patty and leave it on a baking sheet. If you want to bake, put it on a baking sheet. If not, you can fry in the pan. Now add some oil into a pan. Put the patties, press and cook on both sides until golden brown. So you can make little meatballs out from this too and deep fry and serve with the sauce. The same, easy to do this way. So you can use this in a burger too. So after few minutes, turn it to the other side. After, turn it back to the other side and cook on both sides, turning few times. They are ready. Now I'm going to do the next batch. So I finished making few and this is how it is. It's really soft and moist, and also you can bake this without any problem and serve with some tomato sauce or chutney. Hope you will enjoy this. See you next time.